I started this car community football 3 years ago at the Hoonigan Burn Yard, dedicated to my baby sister Casey that passed away unexpectedly. This is the journey.
Mr. Yari signed it.
Oh, okay, Drew. Okay,
Yeah,
I see you on here. I see you on here.
Yeah, there we go.
Here we go.
Yeah, composer, there we go. Appreciate you, bro. There we go. There we go.
I'm in receipt of the football. Thank you for sending it. I am honored to sign it for you as well. The Ferrari side. I'm a former Ferrari owner at this point, Lamborghini, but I don't have a problem signing for you guys right there. Let's get this done. There you go, man. Thank you. Honored. Thumbs up always. Be good.
At last, we can do it. It's taken a while, but
Yeah.
we're here.
Yeah.
We're here and ready to rock and roll. So let me find a good spot. You've got everybody on here.
You can sign by Dave if you want.
Is that one Dave's?
Yeah.
Let's do it like here.
Yeah.
Perfect. There we go.
Thank you so much.
Damon Fryer, Dave Coulter, Mr. Yari, Rob Dahm, Josh of the Jungle, MadWhips Anthony, Composer, Skinny's World Chris, Lucci Mr YouTube, Kevin, Cyber.Garage, Gintani, Nik Vf Engineering, Steve POV, Dean Karnage, Jason March, Protective Film Solutions, Marc SkidMarc Liscio, Eric Carbontastic, Gigi Papasavvos, Alex Choi, Soren Swift, Hunter Swift, Mitch AGX, Sebastion Perez, Miss Emelia, Craig Lieberman, Jose Amezcua, Thomas Hubert, Robert Almasi, William, Collette, Billco, Cody Walker, Chip Foose, Chris, Supercar Garage, Houston Crosta, TJ Hunt, Marc Dennis, DDE, Chris Steinbacher, B is for Build, SME 150, Tim, Hyper NFT. Thank you all for signing the football. We love you, Casey. And rest in peace, Ken Block.